Get your puck.
Get my puck.
Right? Ready, Alex? Your turn. Go.
Sure.
Good job. You got to block the goal. You got to block Joshy from getting it in on your side and vice versa. Oh, good job, Josh. Score.
9.
Good save, Alex. Good save.
You're not supposed to win this.
Hey, you can't block with your whole body. You can't lay down on the board. Alex. Good job.